Shahid Kapoor's Kabir Singh released today. Remake of the successful Telugu film Arjun Reddy, Shahid plays a brilliant but self-destructive surgeon in this story. Does Shahid's angry young avatar work? Stay tuned to find out. Kabir Singh is a bright medical student who has serious anger management issues. He falls for his junior Preeti, played by Kiara Advani. Despite Kabir's overbearing nature, the two have a passionate romance. However, when Preeti is married off to someone else, Kabir is out of control. He does drugs, becomes an alcoholic, and is up to no good, except that he continues to be a very successful surgeon.
मैं क्या पूछ रहा हूँ तू क्या बोल रहा है?
तू कैसा छिचोरा है बे? हाँ, डेली डेली नारा ढीला होता जा रहा है क्या तेरा? कबीर,
First things first, the film is very problematic. Our hero is not a very likable character. In fact, the way he treats his girlfriend is unsettling. Kiara plays a submissive, timid med student who seems to have no say in her own life. Kabir establishes his control over her without even asking her consent.
प्रीति को ऐसी वैसी डिग्री नहीं है. This is MBBS. वहाँ पीछे बैठ के क्या कर रही हो? आज कौन सा लेक्चर है?
Anatomy.
Come, I'll teach you.
Kabir is not only violent, but he has little regard for his friends and even his family. His elder brother and his loyal buddies indulge him like a small child, but he hardly cares for their emotions. He keeps wallowing in self-pity and is obnoxious and angry with people around him.
देख यार मैं तेरे को लेने आया हूँ.
नहीं मैं नहीं आऊँगा.
क्यों?
नहीं आऊँगा मतलब नहीं आऊँगा ना. बोला नहीं आऊँगा.
साहब वो हाथ से फिसल गया साहब. नहीं नहीं.
I must admit that Shahid does a good job of playing this arrogant and entitled jerk. He powers his performance with a convincing portrayal. You want to slap him because he deserves it. It is ridiculous how people around him seem to put up with his tantrums and bad behavior.
साले इतना दारू पिएगा मर जाएगा साले.
मेरा घर है मैं जो करूँगा करूँगा.
Fuck off! ये सब चलता रहा तो भूल जाएगा क्या उसको?
What works for the film is the role of the supporting cast. The characters of Kabir's elder brother and his best friend stay with you. It is incredible how much they try to help him despite his flaws.
लाइफ में एक टाइम ऐसा आता है जब अंदर से ना घंटी बजती है, तब बंद कर देना चाहिए सब, नहीं तो ये बंदा गया.
The story has some good moments, but at almost 3 hours, the film feels too long. We spend too much time on their romance and on Kabir's self-destructive ways. And I wish the transformation was handled with a little more nuance. It doesn't help that Preeti's character has no personality and she seems to be happy being bullied around by her boyfriend. There is too much kissing and too much slapping in equal measure.
Kabir, what do you like in me?
Like the way you breathe.
Despite the flaws and the toxic masculinity, I have to say that Kabir Singh is quite watchable. It is entertaining for the most part as long as we acknowledge that we are dealing with a very flawed male lead who should not be considered a hero in any way. I'm going with 3 stars for this one. Did you like the film? Please share your views with us. And don't forget to like, share, comment on this video.
I'm not a rebel without a cause, sir.